Okay, today we're working on LX470 2005. We're gonna put in auxiliary jack to the stock stereo. So we're gonna hook into the cassette. So just use pry bar. I already start undoing it to remove this panel. There's gonna be two connectors on the side. One here. One here. Remove that. Then we're gonna take the vents out. Okay, one and two. All right, then we have four 10mm bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4. After you removed it, you need to remove 1, 2, 3, 4 8mm fasteners. That's going to be 4 on this side and 4 on the other side. And remove the climate and heater. There's just two clips like that. So after you remove this fastener and those, it's just gonna come out. Okay, so we have the radio. We're just gonna remove the tape that was here and pry this corner up. There's no fasteners, it's just gonna come out. The cover will come out. So there we go. It just comes out like that. And there we have it. 4 fasteners. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 fasteners have been removed. We're just gonna pull up. There is a connector right there. We're just gonna pull up and it's gonna release. There we go. So that's the connector I'm talking about right here. And it's right there on the bottom. Right here. It just pulls up. I already installed the auxiliary. Let me just show you how I'm able to find a diagram. So this is it. So you need pin 1, 2, and 3. 1 ground, 2 right channel, 3 left channel. So on the pin out, where all the pins are for this connector, you found pin 1, that's ground. Pin 2, right here I soldered it, that's right channel, and pin 3, that's a left channel. So you need to solder that and tape it. To route the auxiliary, I tied it here with a tie, and also I made a hole right here for the female end of the auxiliary to come out. Also, the tape, the ribbon cable that's coming from the tape reader, I desoldered that completely because in my case it's not necessary. I'm not going to be using tape. You still need to tape so that the cassette thinks there's tape in it, so it starts playing music from the cassette, although all the music will be run through the auxiliary. After all said and done, this is finished product. You can see it's well insulated, so it's not going to be causing any shortage. I zip tied it here and this location as well, so it's not, even when you pull it, it's not going to go anywhere. Let me just pull the cover on. After you put 4 screws in, I actually ended up routing the auxiliary just down here in the corner. Later I will hook up a Bluetooth adapter to it. I will have power supply right through here, so that will work out great. You can do the adapter, like input it here, but for me it's fine. Let me just put in the vents, and test it out. connectors. Beautiful. Okay. Since I have the iPhone, I need to use this funny adapter. I'll just put it into my phone. Right, moment of truth. Okay, so that's audio. Let's go to audio. We have tape here, so let's put tape. Okay, it's blank. We're not going to put too much music because of the YouTube copyright. Thanks for watching.